crunchy, juicy, what a treat. Take a bite, it's good for you. Healthy fruits for me and you. Apple, apple, I like you. Let's eat apples, one or two. Banana, banana, long and yellow, soft and sweet, such a happy fellow. Peel it down, then take a bite. Bananas make us feel just right. Banana, banana, I like you. Let's eat bananas, one or two. Mango, mango, soft and sunny, golden fruit that's sweet like honey. Slice it up, it's nice and neat. Mangoes are my favorite treat. Mango, mango, I like you. Let's eat mangoes, one or two. Peach, peach, fuzzy and round, juicy fruit that's oh so sound. Bite it gently, soft and sweet. Peaches are a tasty treat. Peach, peach, I like you. Let's eat peaches, one or two. Pineapple, pineapple, spiky outside, but inside it's sweet with pride. Yellow rings or little chunks, we love pineapple with our lunch. Pineapple, pineapple, I like you. Let's eat pineapples, one or two. Strawberry, strawberry, tiny and red, seeds outside and leafy head. Dip in cream or eat it plain. Strawberries are fun again. Strawberry, strawberry, I like you. Let's eat strawberries, one or two. Watermelon, watermelon, big and green, juicy, red and fresh and clean. Crunch the seeds or spit them out. Watermelon's what we shout. Watermelon, watermelon, I like you. Let's eat watermelon, one or two. Fruits, fruits, we love them all, big or tiny, short or tall. Fruits are healthy, fruits are fun. Let's eat fruits, everyone. Fruits, fruits, I like you. Let's eat fruits the whole day through.